Hi everyone, welcome to Divyasri Techies. I am Divyasri. I am here to teach about English alphabets. Are you ready? Let's start. In English, there are 26 alphabets. These are capital letters. Try to speak with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are small letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z. The English alphabets are classified into two types based on the pronunciations. Those are vowels and the consonants. Vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. Remaining 21 are the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Divyasri Techies and don't forget to share. Thank you.